Are you a completely beginner who does not know where to start from your trading journey? Like you don't have any clue of where to start in the trading journey. I'm going to walk you in a very 5 simple steps on how to start your trading journey, and I'm going to share you a recommended 5 powerful books that is going to help you to the end, and from the beginner, like from a newbie to a good profitable trader. So what I'm going to walk you through this video. This video is going to be a very good, helpful video so far that I've ever did, and I put a lot of work in this video just to guide my beginner traders that has no clue at all and they are scared of starting their forex journey. I'm going to walk you through. My screen is here with me and the camera is well set and everything is well set. I'm going to be walking you through the video to the end. So don't forget to watch this video to the end, and don't forget also to click the like button and subscribe to the channel so that you can be always seeing a good, helpful video and weekly analysis. So this video is going to be like word to word to me and traders out there, and secondly for beginners. Before you open any trading charts, before you open any trading account, like a beginner or a pro, or you have knowledge about trading, first of all, what you need to know as a beginner, what you need to know the basics. The first thing I always tell people that comes to meet me and tell me how do we just start trading, I always tell them start from the basics. Try to know the basic. Like first of all, know what is currency pair, know the best currency pairs to trade, know what is pips count, know what is trading, know what is support and resistance, know your technical analysis, and fundamentals are also nice. Firstly, fundamentals are nice. Technical analysis are good because it's going to guide you in the long run. And also know the best books to read as a trader, because you don't need to read 1,000 books out there just to have a clue about trading. Know what is good and know what is. So in this video, I'm going to be walking you like through about everything. Firstly, know about your basics. Know about your basics as a beginner. Secondly, know what you really want in trading. Thirdly, know the currency pairs that moves mostly. Know the volatile pairs that moves. Know the good ones that is move and align with you. Thirdly, know your pros and cons about it. Fourthly, know your recommended broker that you're going to use. In the end of this video, I'm going to be giving a recommended broker for a beginner or for any forex trader to be depositing and be making money as well. The link is going to be dropped in my bio as well in this video. Thirdly, fifthly, the books that are recommended for you to be reading as a trader to be helping you, to be guiding you in everything you're doing in trading. So let's start doing the game. Do you know your broker is your gateway? Your broker is what that is going to help you in the long run. Broker is what is going to help you in the long run. In the 90s, yes, or in the 80s, how retail traders always execute their position. They will have to pick up their phone and call banks and say, hello, I want to place GBP USD 3.6 lot size, please help me. But now, no, everything is now more digital. Everything is now more socialized. We always have this what we call broker. If you're a beginner, you don't really know what's broker. Broker is where you can deposit your cash to trade, because you cannot go and be calling bank every time to be telling them, I want you to go and deposit, I want you to trade GBP USD for me. No, that is where we have our smartphone, we have our MT5, we have our MT4, we have our other platform that always execute trades. That is where you can connect your broker through. You can connect your broker to there. So broker is where you deposit your money. People that will help you execute any trade that you want to, any idea that you see in the market. Maybe you want to invest in GBP USD currency, GBP USD currency. You say, I saw GBP USD is going to go for the buy, I want to invest in it. You go and place your lot. And thirdly, don't forget, if you want to start trading, don't go and just jumping into don't go and jump into live trading. No, always use demo account. Helps you as a beginner to execute. Try to know your edge, learn your edge well. Try it countless times. For me, I will give you like 30 days to master your edge, 30 days to trade and journal consistently, trade and journal. Every trade you take, you journal it down. Every trade you take, you journal it down. To be having clues about it every time, every day, every time, every day. Journal. I always tell people, always journal. Anybody that wants to learn Forex from me, I always tell you, first of all, have a journal. I'll ask you, do you have a journal? Do you have a pen? They always get confused whenever I ask them, do you have a book and pen? Because book and pen, man, that is going to give you a lot of data back, because you cannot store everything into your brains. No, you cannot store everything into your brain. So you need the book to be journaling down what you saw or what you read or what you've seen. For a broker, don't, like I said before, don't go and jump into real money, real trading. First of all, master your edge, master your entry point, master what you always see that indicates that maybe this currency is going for a buy, or this I always see pro traders out there. They will say that if you want to start trading, don't use demo. Go to your live account. It's a lie, bro. Yes, live account is going to give you the psychology steps that you want. They're going to help you in the long run. But firstly, if you're a really newbie and you really don't know anything, like you don't really know anything about trading, I would advise you, if you like, you should see a signal group that you join. Stop investing your money in signal group, because the goal is not winning. No, the goal is not winning. The goal is to trading, master your edge, and build. If you hear where people are saying build a brand, trading is also like a brand. Master your edge. Your edge is your brand. Try to build your brand to be strong. Try to build it to be strong. So whenever you see a screen and you see some chart pattern, you say, yes, this is my kind of chart pattern that I always like executing. You can just quickly buy or sell from it. Try to master your edge. Your edge is your home, and always go with demo accounts. It helps you in the long run. Try to be profitable first of all in demo. Maybe you've mastered your edge fully a year, because you can master your edge a year or more. Master your edge in a year. I give a year or 6 months. Master your edge in 6 months, and also use demo account and be mastering. Maybe you can use a little bit capital, but not much. Don't fall into trading with a lot of capital. No, because you're going to lose it all as a beginner. I always tell you that you will lose it all as a beginner. Be profitable first in demoing. When you're profitable in demo, then you can fund a live account and start practicing it there and start. Remember, the goal is not to be winning. The goal is not. Step 4 of learning how to trade. Minus trading in the zone. We all know about trading in the zone, but if you really don't know about trading in the zone, I'm still going to be leaving the link about in the bio. Yeah, the link, I'm going to place it. The PDF is going to be in the bio, so go to the bio. You're going to see the PDF. Aside those books, I'm going to give you a well-recommended books as well that I really I would like you to go through. Number one book I recommend very well: trading currency trading. Okay, right? Currency trading for dummies. It's perfect for beginners. And secondly, technical analysis for the markets. Those one too. That book is very helpful. Yeah. Thirdly, the disciplined trader. That book is going to teach you, it's going to teach you 55% of what you want to know, because the goal is discipline. If you don't have your discipline unchecked in this game, you're going to lose it. You're going to lose it all. You're going to lose it. You're going to lose it to the dust. So these 3 books that I'm going to place here or anywhere in this video, these 3 books here is going to help you very well. I'm going to leave all of the links in the bio, so that whenever you go to the bio, you can just tap on the bio. Whenever you want to read them, you can just come to this video, click on the bio, and it will take you to the platform. So you go and reading, so that the more knowledge you know in this game, the more easier it becomes. This is just the key word. The more knowledge you know, the more easier it becomes. This and so trading. Read all these books that are recommended for you. Read all these books that are recommended for you as a beginner. It's going to help you for the long run. So the 5 steps that we're gonna be talking about is building a simple plan. If you really don't have plan, if you don't have any plan at all, if you don't have plans, for me, I have plans that always before I enter any trade, I must go through those plans. You have to have a plan. Number one, your plan is going to give you answers to all your questions. It's going to give you answers to all of your questions, because number one, you're going to see questions like, what currency pairs do I trade? Number one, the currency pairs you trade, because the currency pairs you trade is going to be on your plan. You're going to say, okay, I always trade Euro USD, I always trade GBP USD, I always trade gold, I always trade BTC, I always trade this. Number one, your plan. Number two, your plan is going to give you a entry point. It's going to give you an exit point. You're going to write them in your plan. You're going to say, at this point I'm going to enter, at this point I'm going to go out from the market. It's not to still overstay your welcome. At this point I'm going to enter, at this point I'm going to go out. Your plan is going to guide you, because your plan is your map, bro. Your plan is your map. That is what I always tell everyone. Your plan is your map. Secondly, your plan is going to tell you, how much am I going to risk per trade? How much am I going to risk in this trade that is going to give me a risk to reward? How much risk to reward am I willing to risk in this trade to give me a good plan? And your plan is going to give you a very good ways of when you're going to enter market, when you're going to stop trading for the day, and whenever you take loss, you're going to say, whenever I take this loss, I'm going to stop trading for the day. It's in my plan. Your plan, I always talk about this plan. I think I've covered a lot in this video. I've given you 5 simple steps of following and executing. So if this is your roadmap, I've literally given you a roadmap as a beginner to follow and to start trading, to start your trading journey. I know it's going to be difficult, bro. Forget how I'm saying it on this video easily. It's going to be difficult, but if you really follow these plans the way I said it, watch this video. If you really don't understand it, watch this video and rewatch it again. You're going to get a lot of clue about what I'm saying. And also always follow the books I'm going to drop in the bio, so that you can get a very good listen. Thirdly, please don't forget to smash the like button and subscribe to this channel, because I believe that I put a lot of work of building you as a beginner, as a pro. I put a lot of work of building you, and this is your roadmap. Don't forget your plan. Your plan is going to help you. I know what I'm saying. I got all this experience from the market. No one taught me all this shit. Honestly, no one. I can't keep stressing my stuff. I think I've put a lot of value in this video. Yes. Number one, I talked about learning the basics, because the basics is going to help you in the long run. Because we trader, we have English that we used to speak. We have things that we used to say. Learn the basics. Learn how the currency moves. Learn the basics first. Number two, I talked about choosing a broker for yourself. Right? Yeah, that was what I talked. Choosing a broker is going to help you. Number two, number three, I talked about practicing on a demo account. Practicing. Do you hear this word I always say? Practice makes perfect. Practice on a demo account is going to help you. Number four, I talked about learning from books. Learning from books. If you really don't know how to learn from books, you can seek for a mentorship. Leave all the stress of coming in years. You can seek for a mentorship. I can help you. Honestly, I can help you. I can be your mentor. Leave all the flashy lifestyle you've seen out there. Bro, all those people, they're just living flashy lifestyle just to get money from you. Leave it. Look for a clear roadmap. Number five, I talked about trading plan. I know why I talked about that shit last, because that shit is what is going to help you. Your trading plan is what is going to help you. Look for a good trading plan to always follow. Use your hand and build trading plan for yourself. Don't allow anyone to build it for you. I've given you a map about trading plan, so go and look for it. Look for your own. Look for what works for you. Look for what you can be following. I've given you a clue about it, so I believe the clue I give you can execute with it. I've talked much about all this video. The basics first. Don't skip anything. The basics, the broker, the practice, because it's your broker that is going to give you a demo account. That's why I talked about the broker first here. The broker, the basics, the practicing. The practicing is the most key point. The practicing and the plans, the books. Read them all. I've put it out there. Read them. They're going to help you. Read them. They're going to help you as a beginner. I've put it out there. It's for you. It's for your own good, not for my own good. You're not doing me any good. You're doing me no shit, bro. It's all for yourself. So go through them. Go through the video. If you really don't understand the video, go through it again and again. I said it before. I'm even sweating. I'm sweating for you guys. I've put a lot of work for you guys. So go and practice, please. Go and practice. I'm begging you. Go and practice. Go and practice because it's going to help you, bro. It's going to help you. So it's me again, D Pips Academy, and don't forget because the whole thing that you're going to do now is to click the subscribe button. Click the subscribe button and give me a thumbs up. Let me know that you learned from this video. Let me know that this video that I put all my experience out, I believe that this video added a lot of value. Yes, since I've started doing video, this is one of the best videos that I've do for all the beginners. Because other video I do is just to give weekly analysis, give weekly predictions, give where we're going to see a rejection, give where we're going to see a buy or sell. Yes, this video has covered a lot. So it's me again, D Pips Academy. Don't forget to follow us in all social media platforms. We are in all social media platforms. If you can't even search us in all social media platforms, you can see us. You can see us on your YouTube videos, D Pips Academy. You can see us on your TikTok, D Pips Academy. You can see us on your X account, D Pips Academy. X account is Twitter. You can see us, D Pips Academy. And if you're looking for a recommended community you want to join, if you don't have community, okay, the best thing I'm going to do out here now is I'm going to give a 1 month free entry in my community. A 1 month free entry. A 1 month free entry for my community. If you want to learn how to trade, click the link on the bio. Check the community. I'm going to write it there. Community, Telegram community. Click the link. Join the community. The community is going to help you. Join the community for free for 1 month. After 1 month, I'm going to lock it because it's already locked now. So I'm going to open it because of this video. Join the community to see good predictions. And to see other traders. To have good support that will be helping you, guiding you. And if you want a mentor, you can just tell me in the community there, sir, I want you to mentor me. I can keep guiding you. So it's me again, D Pips Academy. I've put a lot of work in this video. So peace out, guys. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to the channel. And don't forget to go through and a key takeaway. I'm gonna drop the recommended broker that I do use, FBX. I talked about it in my previous videos. FBX. I'm going to leave the link in this bio. So when you check in the bio, you see a broker there. Click the broker, register, and you can register and go for your demo account. You can see demo options. You can see real account. Go for demo first as a beginner, but if you're a pro trader, you can go for real account. I've said it all. Peace out. It's me again, D Pips Academy. I love you, and I'll see you in my next video.